In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP LaserJet 5200 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet 5200 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP LaserJet 5200 printer series. Go ahead and open up that link. And then go underneath the support category. This is software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, expand the driver universal print driver section. And there should be a universal print driver for Windows listed in here. Go ahead and download that and then give it a moment. Once it's done, go ahead and open up that file. And then there should be an install file in here. It says file type is application. Double click on it. Verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just proceed with the installer like you would most normal applications, accept the end user license terms, and then just select your preferred installation and usage method for your printer, and then just follow along with the on-screen wizard, and you will be good to go. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.